So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on Twitch service, if I remember correctly. Let's check out the stream. Vivaldi browser and Twitch. Twitch me this, please. Should I poke the stream? It says live, but I don't see anything. Let's poke it. Poke it like you mean it. Nice. Good job, everyone. So yeah. I'm back once again on the Commodore OS Vision 3.1 Linux distribution. Let me show you the system information with the terminal. Let's zoom in. So yeah, Debian GNU Linux 12.14, Linux kernel 7.0.11, Basel full 4K resolution, 120Hz, 3840 by 2160. As you will soon see in my OBS settings, I'm streaming and recording at full 4K, no scaling, no downscaling, and 30 FPS. Desktop environment is made and the Windows Manager is Combis X11. The system has 32GB of RAM, 2TB of SD storage space, an AMD Ryzen 9 CPU 6900HX, and the GPU is also AMD Radeon RX 6800M. And you can pause the stream if you want to watch some more information about these things, or later when the YouTube channel will have my YouTube video. You can pause that and take a good look. So yeah, let's go to the OBS settings. Here we are, video, full 4K, no downscaling, 30 FPS, 16,000 bitrate. I'm using for the recording and the audio hardware encoders FMPEG AAC for the audio and FMPEG VAPI H264 for the video, and I'm using also MKV for the video file for the recording. Anyway, I have been trying a lot with the system. I yesterday said that maybe I will not make another video. This is my top panel, almost as I want it to be, more or less. The same with the rest of my Linux distributions. Few details here and there missing, is not like exactly as I wanted them to be, but okay. This is the main menu, application launcher, whatever you want to call it, and this is my dock. And all things went more or less fine. I didn't try to heavily customize it as I usually do, but the thing is okay as it is at the moment. I like the Commodore OS theme and icons and everything, more or less. It was flawless for a person like myself who is into retro stuff and especially Commodore stuff. But let's check out what is Commodore OS Vision. Let's go to the official website using Vivaldi again. Here we are. Commodore OS 3.1 released on April 28, 2026. I'm pleased to announce the official release of Commodore OS 3.1 today, which is available as an installable ISO, now reduced to a much more manageable size of approximately 9.2 GB. This significant reduction from the 37 GB Commodore OS 3 ISO. To achieve this, some content had to be removed, but we believe we have retained the essential Commodore flavored experience while adding new features that make this distribution even more distinctive. And if the direct download fail for you, as I did for me, it was very slow, you can try what it's the preferred method, which is the torrent file. And let's read up on DistroWatch. They have a link for us to access there. This is very important information. Commodore OS Vision is a 64-bit Linux distribution which was originally based on Linux Mint and is now an unofficial spin of MX Linux. This distribution was created for Commodore enthusiasts and people who appreciate the retro-style interface. Commodore OS Vision uses that made desktop interface and features a retro look and effects. It has a classic Commodore slant with a selection of applications reminiscent of the classic Amiga counterparts. So yeah, my opinion, take it always with a grain of salt. Fine OS, rock solid, at least for whatever I did with it. Streaming, recording, while having the latest Final Fantasy XIV Dawn Trail expansion loaded on a hub nonetheless, where plenty of people were online. Plenty of apps loaded at the same time, some easy, some heavy apps. Jumping between workspaces, no problem at all. Performance and rock solid were there, no problem whatsoever. And if you are into this stuff, no need to customize, just use it as it is and enjoy. I'm pretty sure maybe an experienced user like myself, or even better, a more experienced user than myself, can customize this to the hard content and even guarantee, make sure that it has even better performance while doing anything really. So yeah, I tried to run DaVinci Resolve, the latest version 21. Everything went well with installation and all that, but it failed on the GPU installation. Not installation, setup basically. It doesn't find my GPU, which is AMD. So on that regard, I said that maybe I will try to install the same Commodore OS Vision 3.1 on my Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, which one it has NVIDIA graphics, so maybe I will have better success with it running DaVinci Resolve, I mean. And other than that, I have my wallpaper jumper working just fine. Oh, I didn't notice the number. Okay, we are on wallpaper 53 now. I will go for 50 again. I will see, yeah, 53. I will go on 50. Boom, just like that. And then I will go back again to 53. Boom. And here we are again. And when I left the stream yesterday in the video, I told you to wish me good luck for my cursor factory. And good luck it was. So here we are. Shortcut. You can do this through the terminal as well. Create a custom cursor set or select an existing one. Of course, I have made plenty of the usual suspects like aqua magenta, black magenta, and so on. For now, we'll go ahead and choose this aqua blue. I made it for use for this Commodore OS Vision. You select the size as well, and boom, here it is. So of course you can keep working with the system, no problem, but you may find some apps not adhering completely to this change, and you just have to log out and you're fine with it. So this one, for example, it recognizes the cursor just fine. And let's try, I don't know, GIMP. I didn't test this thoroughly because I was trying to live my everyday complicated life. But here we are. Yeah, this one works too. Okay, cool. And of course you may run across the app that doesn't recognize it. Just log out and log back in and problem solved. And let's create a new character while the stream is going on and the recording. As always, if you don't have the special folder, you just click X or cancel and it will download it for you. I have it already, so I'll just select it and click OK. And here we need just the name for the cursor set. I will just go ahead and make it the toxic one. Select the body color. Usually I go for a green with it. I'll go with, I don't know, this green, whatever. And then for the outline, I'll go with yellow. I don't know, maybe this one. Select. Then select the size. And pretty soon we will have the new cursor set ready. Any second now it will appear, I guess. Don't fail me. Okay. I thought for myself, no, don't do this on the live. But no, okay. So yeah, maybe something wasn't right. Like I was sure like maybe 90%, 95% that it works. but maybe I missed something, but no, it works just fine. So yeah, same thing again, you can lower it up and make sure that everything works. As you can see, it works. No problem with this one. Let's go with the GIMP again. Let's go GIMP. Yeah, it works just fine. Of course. So yeah, as you can see, all works. The script works. So yeah, let's go with selecting an existing one. And let's go again with, I don't know, aqua magenta maybe. So here we are with aqua magenta. Boom, just like that. I love it. I love it. So yeah, more or less, I'm quite satisfied with this one. I think I have decided that I will install it after this one. I will format it and put it on the side. But next time that we'll meet each other, it will be most likely on my old Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, AMD CPU, NVIDIA GPU, fused together, possibly for the best Commodore OS experience ever. I will see about it, I'm not so sure at all. Maybe it will not even install on the machine, we'll see. We'll learn together for that one. Yeah, no need to drag this any longer. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!